just cut rates by a 1/4 percentage point. They are trying to fix the jobs market as well as inflation, and you can't have it both ways. But it is a great effort. So what does it mean for real estate, especially in Arizona? For home buyers, Crawford Market Index shows that the CMI that we look at in Arizona, it bottomed out at 72 in July and has already crept up to 81 by mid-September. If it hits 90, we're in balanced territory. Right now, majority of places are in a buyer's market. The buyer market should last through the winter of 2025. But snooze too long and not prepare by keeping your FICO score up, saving money, not getting into bad debt, because if you wait until prices start going up again, if they do because of the rate drops, you may miss opportunities. So prices hit pause. List prices had been sliding for 4 months straight, but last week they stopped dropping. Like when your favorite store sales ends and you realize you should have grabbed that extra pair of shoes. Homes may not keep getting cheaper. Interest rates may be your best new friend. We saw a lot of mortgage rates drop from 7.26% last January to 6.27% this September. And that's almost a full percent. On a $350,000 loan, that's like getting a $240 per month discount code on your mortgage. We still see those extra discounts on the table currently. Sellers are still sweetening the deal. Over 60% are paying closing costs and tossing in paying 2-1 buydowns and seller concessions. That's happening a lot right now still. So the bottom line, right now homes are basically on sale, but as rates move lower and demand rises, your negotiating power will vanish, possibly faster than socks in a dryer. For home sellers, yes, recession headlines sound terrifying. Forbes reported that UBS just put the chance of a recession at 93%. But here's the twist. Historically, recessions help housing demand because mortgage rates usually go down. I know, it's weird, right? So what's the history lesson? Phoenix, as well as many other real estate markets, have seen prices increase during recessions, and they've also seen price declines during recessions. The Great Recession was a horrific decline, but it was unusual. So no, nobody has a crystal ball out there. So be prepared for a drop in home prices as well as an increase in home prices, depending on employment numbers, which we need to watch carefully. Sellers like low mortgage rates also. More buyers qualifying means more competition for your home. But don't get too comfortable. Lower rates also tempt more sellers to list their home, which could briefly slow down your advantage. So you need to watch if supply of housing is continuing to increase, which is why you follow our channel. And in Arizona, the supply was flattening and actually declining. But recently, real recently, it is turning upward and starting to increase again. Seasonal reality check. The fourth quarter usually is really never a seller's market. Between Thanksgiving pies and holiday chaos and time with family, buyers tend to hit pause until January and the spring. So if you want strong offers, you need to beat the holiday slowdown and list as soon as possible. Luxury sellers pay attention. The high-end and retirement markets don't really run on mortgage rates. We know we've listed so many homes in 55 plus communities. They run mostly on cash and the stock market. So they're looking at Wall Street right now. And if investments do take a hit in a recession, your buyer pool. So if you want that cash now, then put that puppy on the market ASAP. Bottom line, if you're planning to sell, don't wait for spring flowers. You want to list that property before the holiday lights even go up and before that competition grows. As always, we will keep you updated on the market shift as we progress so that you can make the best decision as a home seller or home buyer. So regardless, make sure you click on that subscribe button. We're really trying to grow our channel. We love bringing you valuable information weekly, and the Arizona stats specifically. We've helped all our home sellers get top dollar in the quickest amount of time, but we've also helped our home buyers not overpay because we've been doing this for over 30 years. And we love helping home buyers and sellers across the nation. So we have a network of vetted real estate consultants across the nation. And all you have to do is text referral, and we can get you that referral of an ethical, honest, knowledgeable, vetted real estate consultant. And if you want to know what's happening in your neck of the woods, then click on the link below to get a complimentary market report to see what's actually going on in your market area. I'm Mel with the Mark and Mel team, eXp Realty, and for over 30 years, we've loved helping home buyers and home sellers with excellence through experience. We'll see you next time.